Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what lines and angles. And in that class we also take and solve the chapter lines and angle, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. So now, dear students, we take some important questions related to the chapter lines and angles. So let's see the chapter. Here we take up very important questions, and if in the given figure L parallel to M, in the given figure L parallel to M, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. And the question here is this is L, this is M, and this is cut by a transversal T, and given angles 3y 2y plus 25. This is 3y and this is 3y plus 25 degree, and this is x plus 15. This is x plus 15 degree. X plus 15. This 2y plus 25. This is 2y here. This is 2y plus 25 degree. Okay. So here in the given figure L parallel to M, and then find the value of x. Now what I do? So this is very important questions related to your chapter. Now look, dear student, let's see its solution. Since lines L parallel to M and TB are transversal, and TB are what? Transversal. TB are transversal. Okay. Now, TB are transversal. Then these are the pair of what? Alternate interior angle, and we know that the alternate interior angles are equal to each other. Then now from figure 3y angle 3y degree is equal to 2y plus 25 degree. So that is, we solve simplifyment. 3y is equal to 2y plus 25. So from there 3y minus 2y is equal to 25. So this is y is equal to 25 degree. So in this way, first we find the value of angle y. Now look, these are the pair of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle form when two lines cuts intersect each other, and at some point, then these are the pair of, these are this angle and this angle, the pair of what? Vertically opposite angles. And a very important theorem related to that, key vertically opposite angles are also equal to each other, okay. So now again from figure, a x plus 15 is equal to 2y plus 25, because these are the vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Now we simplify them. So x plus 15 is equal to 2 into the value of y is 25. plus 25. So we get this is 50 plus 25. So this is x plus 15 is equal to 75. So the value of x is equal to 75 minus 15 is equal to what? 60 degree. So in this way the value of x for that figure is what? 60 degree. Okay. So this is the very important questions related to your chapter. So please dear students do more and more practices of that type of questions based on lines and angles, and do more and more practices. Now listen, we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Now we take very important. Now we take some other important question. In the given figure, OP parallel to RS, find angle PQR. Find angle PQR. PQ, this is R. Okay, this is the figure, and this is 110 degree angle of PQ, 110 degree, and this is 130 degree, 130 degree. We find angle PQR. We find that angle. Okay, so this is one of the most important question. So first of all, we draw a line through Q parallel to OP as well as RS. After that, we apply the conditions for supplementary and complementary angles. Now let's see its solution. Since first we draw a line. Through Q, which is parallel to OP as well as RS. Parallel to OP as well as RS. Now look, line. We draw a line, parallel line through Q, which is we draw a line through Q, which is parallel to OP as well as RS. So what I do for that? Look, and we find that we take this is angle 1 and this is take angle 2. Now from figure, look, we take AB, real line. Okay, now we take AB. This is AB. Now from figure, first we take AQ parallel to OP, and PQ as a transversal. PQ as a transversal. That is, if dear friends, we take OP parallel to AQ, and PQ as a transversal, then in that condition, dear friends, this angle 110 and this angle, this is angle 1, form a what? Co-interior angle. Form what? Form co-interior angles. Okay, that is angle 1 plus 110 is equal to 180. These are from the co-interior angles, and co-interior angles are supplementary to each other. That is, from there angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 110 degree, so we get angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. ठीक है. Now again from figure, now again from figure, AB parallel to RS and QR as a transversal, that is angle 2 plus 180 is also equal to 80 180, because these are also the form co-interior angles, and you know that the co-interior angles are supplementary to each other. So now from there we find value of angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 130, so angle 2 is equal to what? This is 50 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 50 degree. Thus from figure AQB is a straight line. Here from figure AQB is a what? A straight line, na? Yes, AQB is a straight line, and AQB is a straight line, and QR as a and तो in straight line, तो you know that कि the sum of all angles on it, the sum of all these are this is a straight angle, so the sum of all these angles means angle 1, angle PQR, which we find, and angle 2 is equal to 180, because of these are the angles made on straight line. That is angle 1 plus angle PQR, which we find, plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now we put the values of angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 is what? 70 plus angle PQR, which we find that angle 2 is what? 50 degree. Angle 2 is what? 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now what I get? Let's see. This is 120 plus angle PQR is equal to 180. So from there angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 120 degree. So from there angle PQR is what? 60 degree. Angle PQR is what? 60 degree. So this is the required solution of the given question. So dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. These are one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, so first you revise and do complete your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics, based on the complementary, supplementary angles, adjacent angle, linear pairs, and also angles made by the transversal. Let's see. and we take a very important questions. And your question is कि if ray OC, if ray OC stands on the on line AB, stands on line AB, stands on line AB such that angle AOC is equal to angle COB, then show that angle AOC, then show that angle AOC, then show that angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. Is equal to 90. Now let's see its solution. Look here, a ray OC stands on line AB. So first of all, according to questions, we draw a line. Look, suppose that we draw a line AB. We draw a line AB, and OC stand on line such that angle AOC is equal to. So let us take ray OC stand on line. We have to show that angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. We have to show that angle AOC is what, 90 degree. Now look, let us consider AB be a straight line and the ray OC stand on it. Okay, this is given in our question, and we have to show that to prove, we have to show the angle AOC is equal to 90 degrees. Now let's see its proof. We have to show that angle AOC is 90 degree. Okay, now look. So since angle AOC and BOC form a linear pair, and also given that angle AOC is equal to angle COB, since from figure it is clear that angle AOC and angle BOC what form a linear pair, that is their sum of measures means angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. So their sum of measures means angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Now since we have angle BOC or COB is equal to angle AOC, we take equation number 2. Now using 1 and 2 we put angle BOC as angle AOC in the given equation. Okay, thus using equation 1 and 2 we get as angle AOC plus angle AOC is equal to 180. So 2 times angle AOC is equal to 180. So 2 9 is 50 and 0. So angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. Hence we have to prove that the angle AOC is equal to what, 90 degree. So in this way, dear student, by clear the concept of linear pair, adjacent angles, okay, so you can solve that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important question related to lines and angles. Let's see. Now, you take a very important question of your NCERT exercise, and the question is if the angles 2x minus 10 degree and x minus 5 degree, okay, if the angle 2x minus 10 degree and x minus 5 degree are complementary, are complementary angles, find the value of x. Now let's see solution. Okay, so dear student, here if the angles 2x minus 10 degree and 10 degree and x minus 5 degree are complementary, so you know that very well if two angles are complementary to each other, then their sum of measure is 90 degree. So since here let angle A is equal to 2x minus 10 degree and angle B is equal to x minus 5 degree. Since angle A and B are complementary to each other, that is their sum of measures is 90 degree. So these are complementary, na? You know that if two triangles are complementary to each other, then their sum of measures is 90 degree. Now we put the value of angle A and angle B. That is, we get as 2x minus 10 plus what is equal to 90. From there, that is 3x minus 15 is equal to 90 degree. So from there, 3x is equal to 90 plus 15. So this is 3x is equal to 10, x is equal to 105.3. So 3 to the 9, 3 to the 15. So x is equal to 35 degree. X is equal to 35 degree. Okay, so this is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear students, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on complementary and supplementary angle. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Okay, now look. Now, in the given figure, find the value of x. Take a very important question. In the given figure, find the value of x, and your figure is. Take a very important question. This is PQ RS, okay, AOB. This This is a very important question of your NCERT exam. This is 40 and this is what 135. This is actually okay. Now look. So from the help of the given figure, we find the value of angle x. So what I do for that? Look at this. First of all, we have to do some construction in that question. Some construction. And what is the construction in that question? Dear student, through O. Look. Let through O. Okay. Draw a ray parallel to PQ and RS. Look at the OL which is parallel to PQ as well as RS. Okay, and we take as this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, and let angle AOL is equal to angle 1 and angle BOL is equal to angle 2. That is, it is clear that x is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. We take equation number first. Okay, now dear friends, for finding the value of x, first of all we have to do some construction in that question. And what is the construction here? Here we draw a line OL. We draw a ray. We say that because of one end point is given, so we say there is a ray. So we draw a ray OL which is parallel to line PQ as well as line RS respectively. And now after that we take angle AOL is equal to angle 1 and we take angle BOL is equal to angle 2. Now clear everyone? Yes. Now dear students, here we apply the concept of transversal. Look, from now let PQ parallel to OL and OA as a transversal. OA as a transversal. That is angle 1 plus 135 degrees equal to 180. These are the pair of interior angles. Because of angle 1 and angle 135 are the pair of what? Co-interior angles, and you know that co-interior angles are supplementary to each other. So from there angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 135, so we get what? 45. So angle 1 is 45. Okay. So now we take RS parallel to OL and BO as a transversal and BO as a transversal, okay, and BO as a transversal, that is these angles. That is angle 2 is equal to angle these angle 2 is equal to 40. These are the pair of alternate interior angles, and you know that the pair of alternate interior angles are equal to each other. That is we find. So thus from equation 1 we get x is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, that is 45 plus 40 means 85 degrees. So this is the required solution of the given question. In this way, the value of angle x is what? 85 degree. So in this way, therefore you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on linear pair, based on adjacent angles, and based on angle made by the transversal. So please first you revise all the question, okay, and do more and more practices of that type of questions, okay, because these are the very important questions of you for you and your upcoming examination. Thus, in next class we take and solve some other important questions related to that chapter. Okay, now thanks to all.